it's no wonder that this branch falling was very loud, because it pierced right through our roof, and that is right where my son is sleeping. So we're really glad that it only went through that one little spot. But it sounded so loud, but it was really only one branch, and that's not even that big. So, but it sure was scary. It was so loud. And that tree, I'm surprised, has not come down yet, because look, that trunk is actually leaning against the wires, and that is splitting, and it gets farther and farther apart every year. So one of these days it's going to fall, and it will fall on our house, and it will take down that wire, which will probably take down half the town. But that will fall on our house. That's my bedroom. That's where my son sleeps. So we hope that doesn't happen. So that's our fun wind story this morning.